Holy fuck. This is scaring me. You had a shit day.
Why don't you stay? I know it's late, but I'm feeling great, and you feel the same. So why don't you stay? I need you to stay.
Hey guys, it's Angie Rush here, or Angel, whatever works best for you. And today, it looks so windy. I want to show you guys outside my window. Look at that tree. Look at those trees. Basically, as you can see by the title, we're doing a fall photo shoot. This is my fall inspired look. I think I'm gonna throw on some combat boots. I'm freezing. My mom decided it'd be a great idea to put on like the AC in the house. She didn't mean to, and I'm freezing cold. But anyway, I'm gonna be doing a photo shoot with my girl, and this is gonna be like a cute Wednesday video, cute bonus video, because it's gonna be super short and super cute and simple. We got this sweater on. I'm literally just wearing jeans, a black top. I got some accessories. Look at this earring. Cute, hey? It's like black and whatever. Yeah, but don't expect much. My friend's coming right now. She doesn't know I'm filming, but we gonna just shove a camera in her face. My lips are so dry, y'all. Oh my gosh. If y'all don't know, I live in Canada, so like honestly, where I live in Canada, fall doesn't really exist here. It honestly just goes straight to winter. Like, it's fall, but it's really not fall, if you know what I mean. For 30 minutes. We found the trail, kind of. My feet hurt, and I knew they were gonna hurt with these damn shoes. I love these shoes. They're so clean. They're so sweet. They're so sweet. They're so cute. I don't know what I was doing there. I think I was mixing sweet and cute. They're so cute, but the downfall is my one foot doesn't fit very well, and I knew this, but anyway, I'm gonna give them to my friend's little sister. But we found a spot. It's filled with so much. You guys don't understand, but it's actually a mess over here. Like, we have climbed over mountains and we've hiked the hike, and here we are. So this is where we're trying to take some pictures, and I actually think it's gonna be really cute. She's taking selfies. I don't know if she wants to take selfies or like, I don't know. Here she comes. You had a shit day. I'm not a photographer and I'm not a freaking model, but we're pretending to be today. You had shit day. This, I don't know why this song stuck in my head by Pink, but it is. If you know the song, let me know. Okay guys, so we're vlogging this photo shoot. That's why it's a Wednesday video. This is just fun, cute, and a mess. Let's take some pictures. Blow me one last kiss. Stuck in my head. You had a shit day. I'm chilly, I'm chilly. So like, this is Canada's fall. You don't get much. It seems beautiful, but this only lasts a week. Like, it's stunning, and I wish we had like a real fall, but this only literally lasts a week. So I'm gonna put this camera down and start taking my pictures, or I'd love for you guys to watch me, but like, ooh, there's a lot of bugs, and there's a lot of prickly plants. I'm talking about these prickly plants are all over here, but I want to go in there. Okay, let's take our pictures. You guys can't see me. There we go. Let's take our pictures. I look so red. I'm not that red, I promise. I've come to the real, I mean, I've been new this. I hate taking pictures, y'all. I've already canceled it, and we're just taking, let's see how what she's looks like in the camera. Take your pictures. How cute I am. Can I help you? I'm bored. I I took my pictures. I don't really like any of them. I don't even, like, it's not like these pictures are going anywhere. I don't post anywhere. But, and all my pictures are like, I just have like a smiling, boring face. No, like, model, Vogue face. But you guys will see the pictures, the end result. Okay, back to work. Photo shoot over. How do you feel? How was it out of 10? Was it a success? Was it mediocre? Was it
Clearly not meant to be a model, so I just missed out with that.
Yeah, guys, I mean, it happened. It's fine. At least, oh fuck, my hair is stuck on my lash. Yeah, it's freezing, unfortunately. The day has ended. I'm taking off these lashes and I'm going to wash my face off and go to bed and take out these contacts. I'm warming some pizza. We're supposed to go to a spot to eat, but it was like a long wait. There's 15 people ahead of us. So we ended up not going. Yeah, and here I am home, safe and sound, and she's on her way home. And that was the end of this fall shoot. I'll put some of the pictures up in this video. I don't think I'm posting any of them. I don't post pictures. That's the end of this video. My pizza's ready. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Remember to be humble and always remember self-love is the best love, and it's not goodbye. It's see you later. Bye guys.
You enjoyed your time. Still getting closer to my dreams. Look, excuse me as I take a step closer to my dreams.